We would like for you to experience a rare opportunity in Sevier County, Tennessee. Welcome to 1634 Dixon Branch Road in Sevierville with over 308 unrestricted acres. At one time, this beautiful land was a working Sevier County farm. It's been in the same family for over 70 years. It has everything you'd want in a large property. Cleared pasture, level, sloped, and rolling hills. And you'll find substantial woodland with hardwoods. This land features streams, creeks, and wet weather springs. Utility water is available at the existing farmhouse and tiny home on this property. You will enjoy nature at its best, with million-dollar views of English Mountain and the Great Smoky Mountains. With opportunities for development limited only by your imagination, consider a planned subdivision or exclusive community. Even a golf course could be in its future. 1634 Dixon Branch Road in Sevierville, Tennessee is priced to sell, and in the right hands could reap tremendous potential returns. Here is your chance to own this rare find. Call Terri Williams of Remax Preferred Properties direct at 865-556-4111.